Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get construction leads for your business. And I'm also going to show you three components of a top website. So what I've done is I typed in remodeling Las Vegas. And just as an example, I want to show you who the top company is. And let's take a look at their website. So tip number one is you want at least 1,000 words of content on the homepage. And content is the written word like this. If you have at least 1,000 words, you'll be in good shape. Now, tip number two is titling your website right. And this is the title of this website. Now, I recommend getting laser focused, and you want to title your website City Plus Service. So Las Vegas Remodeling Company is a good way to title this website. Now, tip number three is you want to optimize your pictures. What that means is just titling your pictures right as well. So I would title this picture Las Vegas Kitchen Remodeling, Las Vegas Bathroom Remodeling, Las Vegas Kitchen Remodeling, just as an example. Now, if you'd like to learn more on how to do this yourself, I put together a free training that shows you exactly how to do it. All you got to do is click the link below, and I'll show you more in the free training.